What is an elevator pitch? A brief summary of your background, experience, and goal is known as an elevator pitch. It should be brief enough to present during a short elevator ride, which is why it's called an elevator pitch. This speech is entirely about you, who you are, what you do, and, if you're looking for work, what you want to do or are now doing. In a simple words, your elevator pitch is a quick and effective approach to introducing yourself to individuals you don't know while showcasing your qualifications. So, how do you create your own elevator pitch? Brief who you are, what you do, and what you hope to accomplish. The goal is to concentrate on the essentials. Keep your elevator speech brief and to the point, delivering your message in 60 seconds or less. Use your limited time to be positive and persuasive. Concentrate on what you want to do, rather than what you don't want to do. Deliver your speech in front of a friend or record it to ensure that your message is clear. The more you practice, the better your speech will become. Where to use your elevator pitch? During an interview. If you are asked, "Tell me about yourself," by the interviewer, you should have your elevator pitch ready. For an example, I am Michael from San Diego. I completed my master's degree in marketing and branding in 2002. I have 15 years of experience in marketing and branding and specialized in the B2B sector. My ideal goal is to grow a company's brand image by 10% annually without spending a single penny. During your sales pitch. An elevator pitch for selling can be varied in two methods. When it's during an in-person meetings, you can start like, "Hi, I am Michael, a sales associate from ABC Private Limited, a company specializing in employee management software. We have helped companies across the U.S. to overcome the work-from-home issues of their employees with AI-powered monitoring and reporting software created based on their unique preferences. Is this something your company facing currently?" When it's via a phone call, you first confirm whether you are talking to the right person. Am I speaking to John Smith? Hi, this is Michael from ABC Private Limited, a company specializing in employee management software. I see your company facing issues in managing the work-from-home employees, and I am here with a solution that could help both you and your company to overcome this. Can we have 15 minutes to discuss this further on? Also, you can use an elevator pitch on your job applications. Create an elevator pitch to use when sending your resume to a company via an email or to add it to the description space on any job advert software. Hi, I am Michael James, and I work as a content marketer for ABC Private Limited. My strength is to create content and keep an eye on every micro moment in order to produce the right content that my audience will love. My content has reached 1.7 million impressions combined organically within a span of a year. I'm looking for new opportunities as a senior content marketer in your company. Let us know where else can an elevator pitch be used. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be in the loop for new learnings.